Hello again kids. Let's talk about the letter T, which is the 20th letter of the alphabet. T is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter T has a shape that looks like a tall vertical line with a shorter horizontal line on top. It is important to remember how to draw the letter T correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter T makes a special sound, the T sound. This sound is made by pressing the tip of your tongue against the back of your teeth and then releasing a burst of air. Some common words that start with the letter T include tree, train, and tiger. Words that have the letter T in them are all around us. We might enjoy a refreshing glass of tea on a hot day, or wear a comfortable t-shirt while playing outside. We might also read a book about a tall, brave knight, or learn about different types of triangles in math. Remembering the letter T is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big T for the letter T, and get ready to continue exploring the wonderful world of language. Please, don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.